This is an example of calculating our interest rate from the present value of ordinary annuity using Excel. Let's go through our example. Sam got a $40,000 loan. So this will be our present value. So we'll write here 40,000 and repays in installments of 15,000 at the end of each year for 3 years. So we know that our periodic equivalent cash flow is 15,000 and our time is 3 years. Calculate the effective annual interest rate. So in order to calculate the rate, we will use the Excel built-in function, which is rate. So we'll say equal rate, open bracket. Then I want you to follow what's mentioned here in our Excel built-in function. So we need to put the number of payments, which is 3, comma. Then we need to put here our periodic payment, which is 15,000, comma. Then we need to put our present value. Please remember we have a negative relationship between payment and the present value. Therefore, we need to put a negative sign in front of the present value. So we'll put here a negative sign and then you choose 40,000. Then close bracket, press enter. This will give us an interest rate of 6.13% per annum.